Excited to show you a unit that we recently completed. This is an incredible A-frame. It's going to actually be featured on TV later this year. Let's check it out. This unit was built in an off-grid location that has incredible views. So amazing sunrises, amazing sunsets, and we wanted to capture that and really allow people to experience that while they were staying in the unit. So on the front side of the unit, we built out a beautiful deck. We went with Trex decking on top. It really is a really nice place for someone to just hang out, have a cup of coffee. If they want to grill and barbecue, we have a big green egg right there for them as well. And then off to the side, you'll notice that there's a cowboy pool. Now, these are awesome, very simple to set up, and just allows someone to have a nice place to either use as a hot tub, or if it's summertime, it functions as a pool as well. One of my favorite features about the exterior of these A-frames is how all of these sharp angles come together to meet at the top. It gives the unit a really sleek and modern look, especially with the black exterior and the darker tint on the windows. On the south side of the unit, we have some thermary wood. This helps to break up that black metal look and helps to soften the exterior feel. As you walk in the unit, you enter through a modern entry door. We like to do entry doors that have glass already built into them. Just helps to open up the interior and allow you to capture those views. So you walk in right through that dormer, and the space just completely widens as you enter. The first thing right across from you that you're going to see is the kitchen. It's super cute, very cozy feeling. It has beautiful Smeg appliances, a really cool green colored cabinetry, which complements the butcher block countertops and the brass hardware really well. Now, this kitchen has a nice sink area and an induction stovetop to be able to cook at. To the left of the kitchen is the bedroom space. Now, over here we have a sunken platform bed that we custom made out of plywood. This is a queen size bed, and at the headboard you have your sconce lights, and you have this awesome little projector, so at night you can watch some movies or maybe watch a football game. On the underside of the bed, it actually is a pull-out full-size bed as well. So this unit can actually comfortably sleep 4 people, which is great for Airbnb or even for your own personal vacation property. Now, on the other side of the unit is the bathroom. You walk through this beautiful black entry door that has frosted glass, and you will be amazed to see a fully tiled open floor plan in the bathroom. So tile shower with the brass fixtures, nice little window up top to allow some natural light in, and also cool lighting fixture at the top just to give it a unique and kind of even vintage feel. Now, across from the shower area, there's actually an incinerating toilet. Now, this is awesome. It is electric powered, and it does actually burn any waste that goes into it. So it makes it very good and very effective for off-grid purposes. To the left of that, we have our vanity with our mirror. Love the mirror on this unit, just cool little angled corner mirror. And very cute little cabinet for the vanity. Now, 2 of my favorite features within this A-frame, first of all, it's the large triangle window at the north end of the unit. This is right up against the bed, and it really helps to allow you to capture those amazing views of the mountains, either while you're in bed or in the kitchen area. And then another thing I really like about this layout is the dormer. The dormer is the pop-out where the entry door is located. And what this does is it makes the interior feel a lot larger. It also just gives it a different element than what most A-frames have. Now, this unit actually represents our Alt 20-foot model. We have 3 different A-frame models that we can build. We build them right here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we can ship them nationwide. They're modular. And so these units are all very unique, and they all have slight differences to them. So if you'd like more information on any of the A-frames we build, or this model in particular, you can check out the link in the description below. Also, we put together a free gift for you. It's our A-Frame Jumpstart guide. And in this guide, it's going to have various floor plans that you can review. It's going to have a budgetary framework to help you understand costs as you're considering a project like this. And it's also going to help guide you in your initial steps to building your A-frame cabin. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.